Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what you got for us, man?
Bluebeam tool chest this week.
Oh, yeah. Love me some Bluebeam.
Yeah. Well,
partner of the show.
Right. As some of you know and some of you don't, they are a partner of the show. And shout out to Bluebeam. We're going to kind of look at a favorite.
Yeah.
This is a favorite. The tool chest is a go-to. Like we use Bluebeam like all day, every day at ABSI. And I just, I'm pretty stoked about this because I feel like this is useful to you guys. All right. So the tool chest is one, like if you're kind of on the left side of your screen, there's like a little, looks like a tool chest. Click on that icon, open it up, and you're going to find the tool chest, and then you're going to find tool sets underneath. All right. So here's some of my faves. You get into the tool chest and you will see the recents. Now, I know it's been about a year for you.
No, dude, I know exactly where it's at. I spent a decade here, right?
Yeah.
Like I know where you're at. I'm there.
Right, the recents.
I followed.
when you say like, okay, I just typed a note up and I threw it in there, right? That text note exists in the recents. So if you're taking that and using it again and again and again, like verified, okay, whatever it is, you can just grab it like straight out of the recents and just go click, drop, click, drop, click, drop.
Yep.
That is sweet.
That would save me so much time. Yeah. Just being able to, do a little cloud with a little annotation on it or something like that. It will save that.
I actually
you just click and drag it out and there you go. Boom,
I've got to tag notes in my expense reports.
Yeah.
And I actually grab like the categories. Yeah. So that I can just quickly grab the categories and drop them in. It's just, random non-construction, but definitely like very helpful.
It's the little things.
It is the little things.
The little things.
Okay. Next one is My Tools. Okay. So you can actually add something that you've done. Yeah. Let's say, you've got some function that you want to use and get back to quickly. Yeah. You can add that to My Tools, which is a tool set under the tool chest. And then it gets assigned a number. You remember this? So like you can if you have it in there, you can like click 6 and then that's like a quick little way of getting to it and then fire that in there. So you don't have to go find the command anymore. You just like have the kind of like the hotkey. Yeah. That's also like hugely helpful.
Can I throw one in here? Real quick.
Absolutely.
So one thing that I used to do is I actually used to have kind of like a junk drawer.
Yeah.
In my tool set. So I would go in and like, let's say, so recent, it'll only like save I don't know how many specific number.
I haven't found the max yet.
You haven't?
I haven't personally found the
Okay.
max.
Well, a lot of times, like if I'm doing a lot of stuff, like, and I have a bunch of different marks that I'm using, like if I'm reviewing a set of drawings, I just create like almost like this dumpster bin of like, hey, I don't care if I lose this stuff later. I kind of want a housing point for it right now. So I just like save it over into that tool set real fast. So like just create like a subsection underneath in your tool chest. And that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right. So that's a fun little hack that I used.
So you're talking about my next thing, which was building your own.
Yeah.
Right. So you're building your own set, like something that's more than just recent, because recent won't be recent later.
Right.
And maybe you don't want to put it under My Tools. Maybe you want to have like a whole drawer, drawer, air quotes, of things that you use a lot and you want to be able to get to, or you want to maybe like build something out, because you can do that too. Yeah. You can put that in your own and name it. Spoiler alert, maybe for later, Construction Brothers' favorite tools. And you can have that in there. The next thing you can do with that is then you can export that to a .btx file. Yeah. So that means that you can share it around to your friends.
Which is so amazing. I think, do we still have the ones for ABSI? Like, I think we built those out at some point and like put them in on our server.
We built them out, put them on the server.
It was part of our onboarding process.
That's right.
So like we literally, for everybody across the board, you could just say, just import, boom, done. Right. Everybody has the same tool set.
So in the tool sets, I have built out a Construction Brothers favorite tools. And this isn't exhaustive. I just thought, let's throw some stuff in there that's like some goodies that I like using. Yeah. The end of a bolt head.
Oh yeah, that one's
right.
Nice.
A bolt in profile, steel beam in profile. Like you remember the ones.
Oh yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Weld symbols with like something in text that I can actually add. Yeah. For size, like great review notes on the steel side of things. Yeah. So thrown all those into a little drawer, a tool set, and I've exported to a BTX. So if you want it, you can ping us and just go to the website, go to our contact us, give us a little email, and we will shoot that back to you.
Heck yeah. Yeah. contact@brospodcast.com.
There you go. All right. So last thing, if you're like, all right, you have fired through this in 5 minutes and the mechanics of this, I'm like completely foggy on it. I don't know how to do any of that. That's really awesome. You're in luck because in the show notes, we're going to link a webinar that was done on this tool chest specifically for learning how to do these things. So go to the show notes, click on that link, and you can get it like whenever you want. You don't have to show up at a specific time, whenever you want. And you can kind of get a lesson on how to walk this down, how to best implement it, see some questions and answers that happened. I watched a little earlier. It was very helpful. Kind of brushed me back up on something that I don't use every day. Because once you said it, you kind of forget it and you just use them again and again and again.
Yeah. Like we love that, for one thing, Bluebeam's a partner of the show. Like we geeked out pretty hard because like this is one of those tools that again,
I don't feel like a sellout.
Oh no. Use it all the flipping time.
Way before they became a partner.
Oh yes. Yes, very much so. Yeah. So this is one of those things. It's if you take the time to learn just a little bit more, especially on tool chests.
Yes.
It will save you. It will save you a ton of time.
Yeah. So the webinar is The Power of the Tool Chest. Go hit the link.
Aptly named, I should say.
Yeah. And hit us up. I'd love to see what you think about our export.
Heck yeah. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Go build something awesome.